Hello class, this is a video tutorial on converting units of measurement, and in this video we'll look at converting length. When it comes to converting length, it's a very simple matter of remembering these conversions here. If you take a look at this graph, when it goes from a smaller unit of measurement to a larger one, so from millimeters to centimeters, it's division. And from centimeters to meters, it's also division. And from meters to kilometers, it's also division. Since we're going from smaller units of measurement to larger units of measurement, being division, that means going from larger units of measurement, going to smaller ones would be multiplication. This is shown in the arrows. If you take a look, this one's pointing from left to right, and also from right to left is the multiplication. And here are the conversion rates that we remember. So when going from millimeters to centimeters, 10 millimeters is 1 centimeter, 100 centimeters is 1 meter, and 1,000 meters is 1 kilometer. That is just a matter of memorization. So let's go straight into a few example questions here. You can go ahead, pause the video, and answer these questions yourselves. Other than that, I'm going to be solving them in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So since we're going from kilometers to meters, all we have to do is multiply by 1,000. So 2 times 1,000 is 2,000. So 2 kilometers is 2,000 meters. Same again, 5.3 kilometers to meters. Kilometers to meters is multiplying by 100. So 5.3 times 1,000, is 5,300 meters. Take a look at this question. We're going from meters to centimeters. Meters to centimeters. We need to multiply by 100. 2.5 times 100 is 250 centimeters. This time it's 25 meters instead of 2.5. So 25 meters to centimeters. Once again, we're going to use this conversion. 250 times 100 is 2,500 centimeters. And in this one, we're going from millimeters to centimeters, millimeters to centimeters. So we will be dividing by 1,000 because we are following this arrow here. So dividing by 10, 37 divided by 10 is 3.7. This time we're going the other way around, centimeters to millimeters. We will be multiplying by 10. 57 times 10 is 570 millimeters. 250 centimeters to meters. It will be dividing by 100. So in dividing by 100, all we have to do is move the decimal place from here to there. So we will have 2.5. Oh, I just smudged it there. That's okay. So 250 centimeters is 2.5 meters. Moving along here. 1,750 meters divided by 100 to get to kilometers. Divided by 1,000 to get to kilometers. So moving the decimal place 3 spaces for each 0. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That gives us 1.75 kilometers. Kilometers to centimeters this time. If you take a look, we're going from kilometers to centimeters, so we actually need to first convert to meters, so multiplying by 1,000, and then multiplying by another 100. So take a look, we're going from kilometers to meters to centimeters, because that's what the question asks of us. So multiplying by 1,000 is 1, 2, 3 decimal places, 4, 5 decimal places in total. So that's 1. So we need 4 more. So 4 zeros after the 8. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. 80,000 centimeters. 2 meters to millimeters. Once again, we're going from this conversion, meters, all the way down here. If you take a look, we need to multiply by 100, because we have to follow this arrow, and then multiply by another 10, following this arrow. So 10 times 100 is 1,000. So multiplying this by 1,000. So 2 times 1,000 is 2,000 millimeters. Take a look now. We're going from millimeters, 25,600. Let me just correct this one. It's a bit wonky. 25,600 millimeters. So we're going from millimeters to meters. That means we're going to divide by 10 and then divide by 100. So dividing by 1,000 in total. So 1, 2, 3, moving the decimal place here, gives us 25.6 meters. And finally, going from centimeters to kilometers, dividing by 100, dividing by 1,000. So the number of decimal places we need to move the zeros are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there should be a 0 in front of this. This gives us 0.06 kilometers. That concludes the video tutorial on converting units of measurement of length. Best of luck.